get 10% off at betterhelp.com/Spotify Music. That's betterhelp.com/Spotify Music.
What the hell? I think that was a wrong pedal situation. I just watched it.
None of them hit. So, I mean, this is a way for them to be able to get something for the future that gives them a little bit of optimism. And also saves Giannis, because I'm tired of seeing Giannis be wasted. You know, after 2021, I thought we were going to have, wow, Giannis could end up being the greatest power forward.
You know, which is a little scary to me.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, what are we doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing? Sorry. Is that valid?
His bag's gone off onto it. What the hell is he hit?
Oh, bro, I got that on video. Oh, I gotta make an Uber. I gotta make this Uber delivery eats. Oh my god. Jesus. Damn. Truck blew out its tire.
Come on, 546. Hey man, hey man. Oh, all right. 2 of those is fine. 2 of those is fine. We would have liked another coin. Come on.
God damn it.
Where the coins at? Where the coins at? All right, 3x on the 10 should be good. That should be good. 720 in there. 720 in there.
Officer, get down. Oh! Oh my god. He keeps hitting the car.
Bro, it's over. Going to jail. We ain't never seen that nigga again.
Bro. At least 2 years.
Not even. That was
supposed to be doing? What? What? Whoa! That's not what the police are supposed to be doing. Okay, I'm gonna send that to Ash and Neil. They went round the wrong side of it. That's illegal. I should report them.
Arrest themselves. Call them right now.
Please call. Wait, I actually can't believe that they just did that. That's so unprofessional. That's totally illegal.
Esto significa que tenemos patrullajes de seguridad, pero vamos a estudiarlo. Pregunta fuera del micrófono. Hemos tenido personas que han saltado la verja en el pasado, les vamos a dar las cifras. En todos los casos, debo decir, en el pasado, las personas fueron aprendidas rápidamente, pero les daremos esa información.
This whole time. Oh, I'm sorry, was it awkward? So I love how she's so careful about making it awkward for her guests, but not making it awkward or uncomfortable for you.
What a good friend.
She still wanted to use my party room. Oh, I'm sorry, was it awkward? So I love how she's so careful about making it awkward for her guests, but not making it awkward or uncomfortable for you.
What a good friend.
She still wanted to use my party room.
This. How does losing primaries do anything for anybody? Casey Push losing 82 to 18. What does that do other than waste everybody's time and money? Losing against Randy Fine, what does that do other than make us look like losers and waste everybody's time and money? It does nothing. And it is highly, highly overrated. Symbolic actors by people that don't even know it. Explain to Dan what a governor or a congressman even does. He talked about running for governor, running for president, eventually settled on Congress. Maybe that was Jake Shields' idea. That was a think tank. They wrote it out in crayon.
Te esperaré todo el tiempo que se... Aguas a la verga, que me lo voy a llevar. Pues su puta madre viviré.
Power mode will give you a battery life of about 13 hours. And this is better if you're doing a little bit more movement. There's also high performance mode, which is good for super intense day.
I'll have another look. But yeah, sure, I guess. I've got no... Oh! Hey! Jesus Christ. Sorry, Liv. Nearly had an accident there. Someone in front of me just has had an accident. Oh dear. And I'm slightly stuck now. I'm going to have to deal with this. I'm fine, by the way, but... Jesus.
But I've left it in the other room. So I'm trying to do that more now. But then you realise there's never any time in your life you don't need your phone. And I'm just going to have to surrender myself to it forever and just accept that I'm addicted to it.
Yeah.
That'd be that. But,
sucks, I hate it.
You know, if Ben can figure it out, we'll all be quite impressed with him. I think the name Ricardo was in there somewhere.
Ricardo.
I'm guessing.
You sure that wasn't the name of the waiter?
Could have been the waiter, man. I got with the waiter quite a lot. Bar avocado. Could have been. It wasn't a bar.
Andei bastante também, e então foi uma questão de construção, né? Meu pai também gostava muito de carro, a gente até conversou um pouquinho antes, ele é engenheiro civil e construiu estrada, né? Então ele
Seu viado
de carro e muitas vezes ele levava eu e meu irmão, 5 anos mais velho.
In your stride. I mean, there's a kind of an element as well within the UK. There's been concern around Nike.